Assalamualaikum and good day. Today our group will present about our mini project which is keychain. First of all, the quality control involves testing units and determining if they are within the specification for the final product. The good quality control helps company make consumer demands for better products. The purpose of the testing is to determine any corrective actions that are required in the production process. The type of quality control applied in a business is highly dependent on the product or industry in order to make sure the product is friendly user and no danger to the customer. Quality refers to how closely a product or service follows to a set of specifications. Quality standard may be any one or a combination of the attributes and variables of the product being manufactured can be used to create quality criteria. The attributes will include the performance, reliability, appearance, value for money, and other features. Hence, variable may include length, width, height, diagonal, diameter, surface finish, and other measurement variables. Thus, when the products meet all these requirements, then it passes the quality inspection.
For the design of product, we started by receive a galvanized steel plate from the supplier, and then we undergoes an incoming inspection to make sure that our raw material are in good condition. Our production of the keychain is using the laser process. After that, we undergoes the process inspection to make sure there are no defects occur during the laser process. Before the final inspection, we undergoes another finishing process to make sure that our surface finish of product are in a very good condition before the final product are ready to sell to the customers.
Quality criteria of the product. Critical quality criteria of the product consists of two, which is dimension and surface appearance. For dimension, we have two, which is first for incoming sheets and second for in-process sheets. Incoming sheet, the length equals to 100 plus minus 0.05 mm, height equals to 50 plus minus 0.5 mm, thickness equals to 1.0 plus minus 0.5 mm, and length is diagonal equals to difference plus minus 1 mm. For second is dimension in process sheet. Length equals to 100 plus minus 0.1 mm and height equals to 50 plus minus 0.1 mm. When the specific dimension is not accurate, it will affect the size of the product. So, the product may be small or big from the actual size. So, the operator needs to make sure that the specific dimension of a product must be correct before proceed with the process. Surface appearance in incoming sheet. Rusty. This inspection is conducted to separate the good terms of material and the bad terms of material. Second, blackness. Blackness allow you limit waxiness or variation in a surface without tightening its dimension tolerance. Okay, for surface appearance in final sheet, we have burr. Burr is a sharp point or edges that occur at the product. And second is burn. A burn occurs because of engraving in laser cutting process to the desired design. The smoothness, shape, color, and packaging of the product are the main ways in which the product's ability to satisfy consumers' needs. In terms of appearance, the quality of appearance of a product must be controlled with certain conditions such as environment, technical level of the assessment, and visual. Okay, next there are three inspection sheets that are required in the manufacturing industry, which is incoming, inspection sheet, in-process inspection sheet, and final inspection sheet. Okay, first is incoming inspection sheet. Incoming quality inspection are required to determine the quality of raw material before starting the manufacturing process. Good material are important for producing high quality product. The inspection is essential for ensuring long-term batch quality and reducing costs involved with resolving post-production defects. Okay. Then the inspection must meet the specification requirements such as length, height, diagonal, thickness, surface appearance, rusty, and flatness. Thus, the raw material must meet the specification requirement to produce the keychain with good quality and appearance to fulfill the customer needs. Then the incoming inspection started when the ordered raw material arrived. The raw material that are using in the project are galvanized iron plate. Then check the raw material arrived and it fulfilled the required specification. Okay, the process inspection involves checking the raw material standard, quality of raw materials and amount of raw materials. Then check the raw materials are suitable to produce the desired shape of product by using the laser cutting process. The accepted material should be stored or forwarded to the next step of operation. Thus, the raw material that not fulfill the specification requirement must be returned to the supplier. Incoming inspection sheets are very crucial step in ensure the raw material is in high quality to produce the desired product.
We move to the in-process inspection part. In-process inspection is an inspection at any point along the production of this product. This is done by checking all the parameters of product including length and width measurement to ensure the final product will be in a very good condition. The main point of this process is to prevent an acceptable quality of product. Early identification of defect in the product before they arrive at the final inspection stage increase the efficiency of the entire operation by avoiding further processing of defective product. This procedure or process, we find a defect of our product like minor defect, major defect, and critical defect. These all defects can cause a rejection of product if we still continue to proceed it to the customer. A very critical things to take a look in this process are the measurement of keychain that should be same like in the drawing CAD. It is important to ensure all the specifications fulfilled and the customer also satisfied with the final product of our kitchen.
Final inspection sheet. Final inspection sheet is an inspection that be done at the end of the process before the product entered market. Final inspection is important because it is last time to ensure the product is in a good quality to fulfill customer satisfaction. It is also ensure that the product is built according to the plan and meet all the requirements. Final inspection is focused on any defect that have been found during the investigation. In this project, the defects that have been found are present of burrs and burn on the keychain. First, final inspection in this project is conducted for the customer satisfaction. Both defect that occur is a minor defect because it does not affect the function or form of the keychain. Presence of burrs and burn inspection are conducted to please the customer's eyes with the appearance of the keychain. In our project, the final inspection only conducts to the presence of burrs and burn defect because of the simplicity of our keychain product. However, if the product is more complex, more inspection needs to be done. In conclusion, quality control is a mechanism for identifying issue, work procedure, and adjusting prior to product transportation. Investing in quality control techniques may protect a company's reputation and build customer trust. Quality control is necessary since it ensures that company will use evidence-based data and research to verify that items meet the standards. Creating a checklist may be difficult and it is frequently necessary to update it on a regular basis. However, it continues to play an important role in product quality management in the manufacturing business.